Hi students, in this video I am going to explain trick to solve stability of resonating structures. Okay, this is the question which is belongs to mains, NEET as well as advanced. So in previous video I explained relative stability of resonating structures. Now let us see, this is the question. They have given, the question is, for each of pair of ions determine which ion is more stable. Use resonance forms to explain your answer. Okay, suppose if we see the first question, among these two structures which is the more stable, they are asking. So how can we identify, students? Just you go through the previous video rules. Okay, first thing is, in order to exhibit the resonance, compound should exhibit conjugation. Okay, first you have to check it, conjugation is possible in this first compound. No, in this compound conjugation is not possible. But if you see, this is the compound, yes, conjugation is possible because the oxygen is bearing lone pair. We can shift the lone pair is like this. Okay, so that the resulting compound structure we can write as we can write CH3 CH double bond O plus bond CH3. Okay, so in this is the carbon which is involved in the resonance, whereas here the resonance is absent. So which is more stable, students? Here this is the more stable. Okay, because in this resonance is absent, only inductive effect is there. But as we know that compared to inductive effect, resonance only more stable. That's what this is, the structure is more stable. Okay, let me go for the second one. Second one here, first you have to check it. Yes, we can move, so that this positive charge should be balanced. But here it is, the conjugation is there, not there. In this structure, conjugation absent. Here the conjugation is there, that's what it is more stable. Simple, like this you have to recognize which one is the more stable, students. Third one, if you see, this is the compound. Here the negative charge is there, but it is not involved in the resonance. Okay, here the resonance is absent. But if you see this one, resonance, we can write this pi electrons are shifted, so that we can write the resulting structure is CH2 double bond C double bond N minus. Okay, so among these two, which is more stable? This is stable. Why, students, this is stable? Because this is not exhibiting resonance, whereas this is exhibiting resonance. Resonance showing species only more stable. Next, let me go for the next one. Among these two, which is stable? Here pi sigma charge means it is exhibiting the what? Resonance. When we are moving like this positive charge should be neutralized. Resonance exhibiting, but here resonance is absent. Okay, because here pi sigma, again sigma only there, that's what? Absent. Let me go for the last option. This is CH3 NCH3. Nitrogen, as we know that bearing the lone pair is shifting, means this positive charge should be neutralized, means resonance showing. But here the positive charge, in order to satisfy the positive charge, just we are going through the what? Inductive effect. But compared with the resonance, inductive effect is least stable. That's what this is, the what? Not showing the what? Resonance. This is not showing resonance. Moreover, in this all are having the what? Octet electronic configuration. After shifting this bond, we can write all are having the what? Octet electronic configuration. This is the one of the question. Let me go for the second question. Among the following, the least stable resonance structure is what? What they have given, students? Least stable. Least stable means, let us see, first you have to consider this part is same in all the cases. They have given this is the part is same or not? Yes, this is the covalent bond only. So next thing is nitrogen positive. Around the nitrogen 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. Actually this is the invalid structure. Why it is an invalid structure, students? Nitrogen never shows pentavalency. Pentavalency, because absence of vacant d orbitals in its ground state. So this is the invalid structure. Among these three, which is the least stable? What I said, according to the rules, here in this, if you see, charge separation is there, carbon only bearing the positive and the negative charges. What I said, students, here, like charges side by side. See, if you see the first structure, like charges, plus side by side, here plus minus plus, here plus minus, charge separation is there. But like charges are side by side means which will create lot of repulsion, that is only the what? Least stable. Like this you can easily predict which one is more stable and less stable. I hope you all understood, students. Thank you.